I think that this is poorly made. The plywood is very, very cheap. It doesn't stand up. Could essentially fall. The plywood is the slightest little kick or something to it, it'll probably break apart. It's just poorly made, especially for $83. It could be better. So I definitely just give it 2 stars. I'm gonna have to reinforce it because I'm disabled and I just put this together and it took about an hour, and I'm not going to take it down just to return it. So I'm just gonna reinforce the plywood myself.
Cute. A little bit smaller than anticipated, but it's perfect. And it's soft close. Next to a twin size bed.
Will not go down.